Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need the essentials now: a compatible Aqara hub with updated firmware and an iPhone on the same Wi-Fi. Open the Aqara Home app and sign in. Enable iCloud Home so data syncs. Tap Add Device and choose the hub or accessory, then select Homekit pairing to display the 8-digit Homekit code. Once the code appears, get your iPhone ready. You'll use the Home app to complete the link. This starts the secure exchange that lets Homekit control Aqara devices. Once done in the Aqara app, switch to Apple's Home app and tap the plus sign to add accessory. Scan the 8-digit Homekit code or type it manually if the camera cannot read it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active because Homekit negotiates over both. Assign the device to a home and a room, give it a clear name, and set initial automations if desired. This mapping is why Homekit can display statuses and run scenes. It links identity, location, and permissions. Finalize by testing controls in the Home app and asking Siri to operate the device. Confirm immediate response. For remote access, make sure you have a Home Hub, Apple TV, HomePod, or always on iPad signed into the same iCloud account. If something goes wrong, reboot the Aqara hub first, then reset the accessory and try pairing again. Firmware mismatches often block setup. If repeated failures occur, reflash or update firmware. Then repeat the Homekit pairing sequence. That usually fixes persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.